Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding the easy way. First, gather your simple ingredients: 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and your favorite flavorings like vanilla. You'll also need a medium saucepan and a whisk. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and quicker. Let's get cooking. Next, combine the sugar and cornstarch directly in your saucepan. Whisk them thoroughly to eliminate any lumps. Then, slowly pour in the 2 cups of cold milk, continuing to whisk until the mixture is completely smooth. Place the saucepan over medium heat. It's crucial to stir constantly for about 5 to 7 minutes to prevent scorching and ensure even thickening. Keep an eye on it. As you continue to stir, you'll notice the pudding mixture beginning to thicken significantly, especially as it approaches a gentle boil. Once it reaches your preferred consistency, remove the saucepan from the heat immediately. This is the perfect time to stir in your flavorings, such as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or perhaps some cocoa powder for chocolate pudding. Mix it in well. Finally, carefully pour your warm, delicious pudding into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. To prevent a skin from forming on top, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the pudding. Allow it to cool completely at room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours until thoroughly chilled. For other great kitchen finds, like leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the description below for links and deals. Enjoy your homemade pudding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.